Come on, come on, come on, entry denied. Come on, come on. Yes, I hacked her again. She has such a pea-sized brain. And I'm just a legendary hacker. Password, password, password. Our life is incomplete without passwords. Wanna do homework? Let's open EduOrbit, but with password. Wanna entertain yourself? Needs mobile. There is password in a mobile, isn't it? Greetings to all. As today we are discussing about cyber security. My friends are dealing with various aspects of it, and I'm here to deal with password security because a strong password plays a crucial role in the cyber security process. Hackers like me will not be able to hack your password now onwards. Your password grants access into your personal own kingdom. But nobody wants a stranger to enter into their kingdom without permission, isn't it? Uncrackable strong password is the solution. Here are a few tips to create a stronger, better and safer password. First tip, make it long. Choose nothing shorter than 15 characters or even longer if possible. Second tip, use a mix of characters and symbols. The more you mix up letters, numbers and symbols, harder it is to crack it. Third, avoid common and personal information as it is easy for hackers to steal your password. Fourth and the most important point is to change your password on regular basis. Don't use easy passwords like my dad always does. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Treat your password just like a toothbrush. Don't let anyone else use it and get a new one after every 6 months. After all, security is a process, not a product. Thank you and have a safe day.